John's being so annoying.
What the hell?
What is that?
Buongiorno.
I don't know what I'm tasting, but it's so good.
This is aperitivo. Oh, it's so good. Good morning. It's 5 a.m. and we are going to Italy. John's with me. Very tired indeed. But we are making it to the airport right now. Our Uber is literally right there. So I'll see you at the airport. Buongiorno. I just slept the entire flight. Yay! We're in Italy!
Alright, let me do the...
Do what?
Huh?
We're trying to buy tickets for the water bus. I didn't know that we're taking a water bus.
Hello. We want to buy round trip tickets to Venice. Rialto?
Which part of Venice?
Oh, Rialto? 2 tickets, round trip, please.
64 to go and come back.
Okay, so you have to keep it.
I
Okay.
got the tickets. Every time John speaks to someone in a foreign country, he always speaks in like an accent.
No, but now I don't. We want to buy round trip tickets. No, but now I don't. I don't know the language anymore.
You don't do that?
I did in France though.
You don't-
I know French technically.
You know what's crazy is that you asked her in an accent.
Really?
Yeah. You want to listen back to it? I recorded.
I don't want to listen.
Like, how do I get to?
There's no way I was saying that. Was I saying that?
Yes. Okay, so after landing, we finally made it to Italy and we had to take this little speedboat to Venice, which in theory was fun, but I low-key got sick from all of the bouncing. The view was gorgeous, of course, and like look at these little boats zooming across the water. Like I thought that was so funny to me. I don't know, like just like look at them go. But anyway, we got tickets to the Rialto Bridge, which was the dock closest to our hotel. And guys, this is the first time I'm seeing Venice in real life, and I just want to appreciate how accurate the movies make it seem, okay? Well, first of all, the weather was so amazing today, so that kind of added to it. And then the clouds look like they do in Toy Story. I love calling them Toy Story clouds because like look how fake they look like little cartoons. But anyway, the canals and the beautiful buildings lining the water, oh my goodness, I could not believe my eyes. And then like the birds flying around and all the boats just really added to this vibe. And in my most influencer vocabulary ever, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. This is so freaking cool. I feel like I'm living in a fantasy dreamland or something. Can't believe this is real. Like the OG. This is our stop? We found our hotel. It's very easy to get lost in here. Oh. Guys, sometimes I'm like, when I look at these buildings, like, it just doesn't register that it's a real thing that people made. Anyway, as I was saying, just like looks crazy. Like you're telling me you guys just built that? That's crazy. Y'all just built.
So they have
that?
cafes around here.
Okay.
They're gonna be touristy for sure.
Okay. Fope! Fope! That's a jewelry
But
store.
I am down to just sit around.
Oh, like a petit déjeuner?
The square is beautiful.
Oh, okay. We can do like one of these
And we can just
guys.
people watch. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. That's the plan.
While I figure out how to get into this guy.
Yeah, we gotta get into this guy. My omelet and John's scrambled eggs. Yeah, that's what you wanted, huh?
I did want it. It's yummy.
And look at this gorgeous view. Wow.
You know where you're going?
Guys, John's being so annoying right now.
Yeah.
Okay guys, round 2 in San Marcos Square. All refreshed, ready to go. Now it's time to eat lunch. Eat, sleep, eat.
Eat, sleep.
Eat, sleep, eat, sleep, chop. Ah! The vibes are immaculate right now. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited for this. Wait, there's like no sauce on it. Try. Wait, yours looks fantastic. This is the bread. You want to just take this whole quarter?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We just finished our pizza. Now we're on our way to find.
Gelato.
Yay! Oh, hello. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Are you excited to eat?
I'm very excited. Lemon, strawberry.
Pistachio and chocolates, my faves, with the cream. Wait, you tried already? Girl! Girl. Is it good?
It's very good.
We didn't even take a photo, John. Anyway, my taste test time. The cream doesn't look that great compared to Grom. Let's try that.
Texture-wise, yeah, it's definitely soft.
It's soft. It tastes like Costco cream. But let's try the pistachio. Ooh, that one's really good. It's so like pistachio. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. Chocolate. It's like they took pure chocolate and just like made it into ice cream. Try. Good?
Oh yes. Very good, very good.
We just ordered for takeout at this place. Copped the goods.
Hi guys.
Hello.
We're in the hotel and we brought our takeaway back because every time we eat out, it just takes a long time. But anyway, we went to like this place. It's like literally right around the corner from our hotel. Oh, some grilled vegetables. Anyway, we got grilled vegetables, a cuttlefish, and then John got a risotto. This is the grilled vegetables. It actually looks really good. And then my cuttlefish. Ooh. Whoa. Wait, I kind of want that.
Huh? I've been saying my order was good.
Okay, mine's gonna be like, it's like whatever. It's like cuttlefish. Like we know what cuttlefish looks like. I know what cuttlefish looks like.
I know what cuttlefish looks like.
I know what cuttlefish looks like.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's not what I thought cuttlefish looked like.
We know what it looks like. It's Venetian style. But look at mine. There's a lot of seafood in there too. It's like not messing around.
Dude, that looks hella good.
Right?
What the hell?
What is that?
Okay guys, I tried the cuttlefish. It's not bad. It's a little salty, but it's not bad. I just was a little bit concerned when I ordered and this came out. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
There's a beautiful morning in Venice. Here's the fit. I've been wearing this skirt like so many days in a row, but it's fine. I have no other pants. This is John's fit.
Has been recycled 10 times already.
We're gonna go to a bakery, cafe, and just chill a little bit before we go shopping. Yay! All right, bye. See you at the cafe. So today we headed up northeast and walked around the Rialto Bridge. It was so busy and all the people were out. A lot of families were getting gondola rides, walking around, or even just like sitting at a cafe enjoying the slow morning. Also, I found a shop that was selling a little hat similar to the hat that I lost in France, and I thought it was so cute with the little patchwork. But anyway, we took a nice stroll along the way. And then guys, this little pigeon was taking a bath and I thought it was so cute. He was just like, let me just clean myself in this little fountain. Sorry, off topic. We finally made it to Pasticceria Tonolo. It was not busy at all, which was a huge plus. They had so many pastries and it was so hard to choose what I wanted. So obviously, we ended up getting a whole plate of little pastries to try. And of course, a 2 cappuccini for the both of us. And when I'm telling you, I think this was the best cappuccino I've ever had in my entire life. Like, look at my reaction, okay? Foam. Oh my god. Like, the foam is so good. What is this? What is that? The pastries were really yummy and I loved how teeny tiny they were. It reminded me of like dim sum. I don't know why.
What is that?
I don't know. But anyway, after our little morning snack, it was time to eat some real food. I found this random place on Google Maps and it honestly turned out to be one of the best things I've eaten this trip. Guys, we got focaccia sandwich. Is it good?
Truffle cream. Crazy.
Good. You taste truffle?
I don't know what I'm tasting, but it's so good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Listen. So good.
we have stumbled upon this gorgeous bridge view. Beautiful. How beautiful.
Almost as beautiful as you.
Yeah, that's right. We're on our way to eat our fragola. Franola, I don't know how to say. But we're gonna go sit by the canal and just have a little aperitivo with no alcohol. But we'll make it work. We found a spot. Yay! Try these strawberries. They look so good. Look how red this is. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good?
Dude, it's so sweet.
Really? Wait, that's crazy. It's so sweet.
It's finally dinner time! We made a reservation at this restaurant near our hotel. For our appetizers, we did the Il Nostro Tris Veneziano, which was creamed codfish, black cuttlefish, sardines, and pickled onions. I think the codfish left such a mark on me that I'm still thinking about it to this day. And then for the main dishes, John got spaghetti alle vongole, and then I got the linguine rumo allo scoglio. Also, sorry if I'm butchering these names. I'm a very mediocre Italiano. I know, I'm sorry. But anyway, the main dishes were alright. I think the bacala mantecato was honestly the star of the show. And then at the end of our meal, we finished with some espresso.
We're currently waiting in line for gelato. This place is called Suso. I just checked the menu and they look like they have like really crazy stuff. They look so good.
Yay!
Mine's so dark.
Okay, try yours.
How is it?
Wow. Wow.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try. Whoa. Wow. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Wait, this one's fire. I need to take a photo.